What's going on, everyone? So in the past video, we created our blog, but it doesn't really have anything in it yet, obviously. So in this video, we're going to be importing a custom template so that our blog looks more professional. So yeah, let's get started with that. We're going to be going to a website called btemplates.com, and they're going to have free Blogger templates. So you can filter these by style, features, topics, columns, and colors, or you can just browse the templates by scrolling down. And if you want to look at the next page, click older templates. And they have a bunch of templates, as you can see, page 2 of 276, so that's quite a few. But in this tutorial, we're going to be using the Gridster template. I like this template because it's simple but still looks nice. It's going to create a grid of all your articles with the images associated with them, as well as allowing you to put your title or logo up here and then have a bunch of custom pages. And then on mobile, it's going to have your articles one after another with the image associated to them. So I think it's a nice choice, especially for beginners. So to use this template on Blogger, we're going to go down and click free download, and I actually already did that, so that's going to give you the zip file for Blogger. So if you go to downloads, you're going to double click that zip file, and it's going to create this Gridster file with the gridster.xml, which is what we're going to use in Blogger. So then we're going to navigate back to Blogger and go to the theme page, and we're going to click these three dots. We're going to click restore. We're going to click upload. We're going to go to downloads and find the Gridster XML as we used before, wherever you have it downloaded. And you're going to push enter. And that's going to restore that theme to your blog, basically applying it to your blog. So it's going to say the theme preview is currently available. That's okay. And if you want to get a little preview, you can view your blog. And as you can see, it has this template, but it looks a little different just because we don't have any posts yet. But as you can see, we have our home page. We haven't added any more pages. We have the title of our course, and then we have like a search bar, another home page link, and then just a bunch of different stuff that we're gonna get rid of or change to our liking in the future video. But now we have this Gridster template on our own blog, which looks nice and is going to let us do a lot of cool things. So in the next video, we're going to actually be customizing this template, moving stuff around, getting rid of stuff and replacing stuff, so I can show you how to add widgets and whatnot. So yeah, stay tuned and thank you so much.